Hey guys, this is Adria Ruff with AR Workshop. Today I want to show you how to do a fun DIY with pillowcases. We're going to take a blank one and then we're going to turn it into this one. So the first step you need to do is stain your material. So I have my pillowcase and then I also have some canvas, and what I decided to do was that I did one piece in a gray stain, I did another piece in a brown stain, and then the pillow I mixed a little bit of brown and gray stain. However, the key to staining these fabrics is to wet them, have them completely saturated with water, and then brush on the stain to the amount that you like. So you can go really dark or you can actually do really light. The next step after your canvas is dry, you need to paint on stripes. I used blue painter's tape to create my stripes, and I just used a regular fabric paint to paint it. The next step while your paint is drying is cutting out pumpkins on the canvas, and you can just draw them freehand and then cut out any shape that you like. After I cut my pumpkin shape out, then I went ahead and did a zigzag stitch along the border. It helps from the pumpkin fraying all together, and it makes the pumpkin actually pop a little as well. After I outlined the pumpkin with the zigzag stitch, I then took a couple strips of the stained canvas, I cut them into shapes, and I again stitched again along the pumpkin just to give a little embellishment. The final step is to applique your pumpkins onto the pillow, and you can either use your sewing machine or you can hand stitch. Either way is fine, and then of course put your pillow insert in. These are perfect for any fall decor, rustic, with lots of neutral colors that are really popular this season. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our